Let's start preparing chocolate pudding. For that, I took some butter in a pan, and in a low to medium flame I will melt the butter. Added some milk chocolate or dark chocolate of your choice. Slowly melt the chocolate and butter together. Keep the flame in low, we don't want to burn our butter. Here I am adding some milk. This milk I have boiled and cooled it, then I have added to it. If you want, you can use the milk directly. Here I took 6 slices of bread. If you want, you can take any bread of your choice. And we will dab the bread nicely so that it will absorb the chocolate, butter and milk. It's a very easy process, it won't take much time. Just keep the flame in low. Here I'm using some walnuts. You can use any other nuts of your choice. Just chocolate and walnut do great together. Off the flame, here I greased a bowl with some butter and fill the pudding in it. If you want, you can keep it in freezer for 5 minutes or keep aside without freeze for 15 minutes. Here I've added some custard powder with milk. Here I took vanilla custard powder. If you want, you can use the plain custard powder also. Give it a mix. In a saucepan, I'm going to heat some milk near about half glass and keep it in medium flame. Add some sugar as per your choice. Give it a mix. Keep the flame in medium. Add the custard slurry to it. Slowly it will get thick. Boil it for 1 minute. Keep on stirring. And your custard slurry is ready. Serve the pudding in style. Actually, you can serve it any way you want. If you want, you can just serve it in a bowl, or without custard slurry also it tastes amazing. For more taste, I'm adding some whipped cream. It's totally optional. If you want, you can skip it, or if you have, you can try it, or with some ice cream also you can give it a try. Let's taste. It's looking so delicious and it's so easy to make. I think you can make it very easily at home. Give it a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. Enjoy!